Hello piano students, this is Dr. Ajero at Stephen F. Austin State University. In this video I want to demonstrate how to play the Minuet by Alexandre Reinagle, which is one of your solo repertoire pieces from page 34 in Alfred's Group Piano for Adults, Book 1 by Lancaster and Renfrow. Remember that the right hand is in a G position based off of the 3 Ds that you start off with the 5th finger, and make sure that you're in the G major 5-finger position. However, the left hand is not in a G major 5-finger position. Remember, the left hand starts on the G below middle C with the thumb, the first finger. Okay. In fact, the left hand only has 2 different notes, that being the G with your thumb and then the D with your 4th finger. And that should make things pretty easy. I'm going to perform it with the repeats, and if you can do it also for your solo repertoire, that would be fantastic as well. Remember, you want to try to capture the spirit of the piece in addition to getting all the right notes, doing the correct rhythms, and having good hand position. Make sure that you follow the dynamics and the articulation markings so that it captures the spirit of the minuet dance that is implied by what the composers intended here. So, hope you enjoy. Thanks, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me or leave a comment for me, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Good luck practicing. Bye.